Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: integrating direct inward dialing, DID, with VoIP systems. This integration is revolutionizing how businesses manage their communication networks, making them more efficient and cost-effective. Let's get started. What is direct inward dialing, DID? First, let's understand what DID is. Direct inward dialing allows a company to allocate individual phone numbers to each employee or workstation without requiring a separate physical line for each one. Essentially, it streamlines incoming calls directly to the intended recipient within an organization. What is VoIP? Now, VoIP, or Voice over Internet Protocol, is a technology that enables voice communication over the internet instead of traditional phone lines. It's cost-effective, flexible, and integrates seamlessly with various digital systems. The benefits of integrating DID with VoIP. Combining DID with VoIP systems offers numerous benefits for businesses. Let's explore some key advantages. Cost efficiency. DID reduces the need for multiple phone lines, while VoIP cuts down on call costs, especially for long-distance and international calls. Scalability. Both DID and VoIP systems are easily scalable. You can add or remove numbers and users without significant changes to your infrastructure. Enhanced flexibility. Employees can receive calls on various devices, whether they're in the office or working remotely, thanks to VoIP. Improved call management. Advanced features like call forwarding, voicemail to email, and automated attendance become more accessible. How to integrate DID with VoIP. Integrating DID with your VoIP system is straightforward. Here are the steps you need to follow. Choose a VoIP provider. Select a provider that supports DID services. Ensure they offer reliable service and robust customer support. Configure DID numbers. Work with your provider to set up and configure your DID numbers according to your organizational needs. Integrate with your VoIP system. Follow the provider's instructions to integrate these DID numbers into your VoIP system. This often involves simple configuration settings within your VoIP software. Test and optimize. Conduct thorough testing to ensure all numbers route correctly. Optimize the settings based on user feedback and performance metrics. Integrating DID with VoIP systems is a game changer for modern businesses, providing efficiency, flexibility, and significant cost savings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on business communication solutions. Visit our blog at progressivetele.com for detailed guides and updates.